Hello everyone, my name is Hrithik Sharma and I'm participating in blockchain ChainRunner Hackathon as a solo participant, and the name of my application is DAppDemic. DAppDemic is a decentralized supply chain platform that handles various operations such as payments, deliveries and withdrawals. So this solution is a part of a larger automated supply chain solution. What makes my platform unique from the platform or the supply chain solution that is present right now is that if there are multiple parties involved between any payment and dispatch, this decentralized platform works a lot in its favor. One more thing is I'm going to show you the automated dispatch at payment without the use of middleman. This is the account that I'm going to be using, and to verify that the account is directly displayed here. So let's create an item as Buzz from Toy Story, of course, and let's give an initial value of 100 weight. Let's create an item, and it says to me to send 100 weight to this address. This address is basically the address of the owner that now we have to pay. You can see that this has been confirmed. So let's send 100 way to this to the owner. So 100 way is 15 dots after 15 zeros after the dots. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 1. And let's increase the gas limit by 300,000. And okay, so my item has been paid, and so yes. So after paying 100 way, this message pops up that the item bus was paid, deliver it now. This basically is the message from the customer to the warehouse that says that okay, I have paid the amount for this item, so it's time to deliver the item to me. So this is how it works. If you're creating an item and suppose that the customer is paying less or more than the item amount, it will trigger a failed operation. So let me give 100 way, and let's create an item called underpriced. So it is giving the exact same results, and I have to pay 100 way to him. Let's put 16 zeros, which is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 1. This is basically 10 way, and let's increase the gas limit. Okay, so I get a failed uh, operation, or the failed uh, payment for this because I did not pay the exact amount, and it also happens with the overpricing. So this is how my platform works in Truffle local network. Now let's open Remix and let's see what difference does it make in Matic. So I'm going to switch my network to Matic. This is the Mumbai RPC. Item manager consists of three functions in the supply chain step. One is the create item, another is trigger payment, and third is trigger delivery. The only owner function is for create item and trigger delivery, that the owner can only create the item and only deliver it. So let's deploy. So the one thing you can see that if even for deployment you have to pay the gas fees, and the gas fees is a little higher than the Truffle framework. This is because the Matic has more security measurements that it has to take care of. So let's create an item here. Let's say its name is Woody, not Woody, and let's give 1,000 ways. Let's give 1,000 ways for it. Let's create the item. So I'm going to create this item, and here I should be able to receive the, yeah. So this is my receipt for creating an item. It has given me an address. So I'm just going to copy this. I'm going to get this contract, and yes, and I'm going to put this address here, and I'm going to send 1000 ways as per the actual amount of the item. And let's give the fallback transaction. Okay, yes, so this is the receipt of the owner, and right now what we can do is we can trigger the delivery, give the index 0, and let's trigger the delivery, and let's confirm this. Thus my item is delivered. You won't be able to trigger the delivery function before paying the owner the exact amount. And let's deploy again. One more thing you will notice is that while deploying it in the Matic, after each and every step there's a transaction going on. That means it is very secure. Let's create the item, confirm. So this basically has given us the item index. That means I can trigger the delivery. So if I do that, I'm going to send transaction. Yes. So as I did not pay the amount to the owner, I could not I could not trigger my delivery, and thus it is giving me an error that you listen that you have to pay for the item, and then only you can trigger the delivery function. I hope that I've explained quite well about my platform. Thank you.